Do you have suppliers in China and you're looking for someone to ship your packages but don't know where to start? Don't worry, in today's video, we're going to talk about 6 things you should be looking for when choosing a Chinese fulfillment partner, aka a 3PL, a third-party logistic company. Make sure you stick to the last because the last one is the most important as we're going to show you how to get the cheaper shipping rates. These rules apply for finding any 3PL, so make sure you check the boxes. A 3PL is not just about who can get your products from point A to B. It's about finding a partner that understands your business so you can really focus on your growth. So let's talk about the first one. It's the shipment rate. This is the speed at which your fulfillment partner can process and ship out your orders. Because of course, your clients expect to get their package ASAP. The ideal fulfillment partner will be able to ship your packages within 48 hours or less. The quicker the shipment rate, the happier your customers will be. So when you're evaluating potential fulfillment partners, don't just look at their processes, ask for their advantage shipment rate and how consistently they meet it. A slow shipment rate can lead to really negative impact on your business, so choose wisely. Second one, does the fulfillment partner have smart OMS and WMS, which are order management system and warehouse management system. OMS is a digital tool that tracks sales, orders, inventory, and fulfillment. It's the essence of a smooth operation. And there are a few things you should be looking for in their OMS. The first one is how much leeway is there for you to operate on your own. If there are some mistakes, can you edit them without asking for the customer service for help? The second one is, do they integrate with top platforms like Shopify or ecommerce seamlessly? The integration allows for real updates, reducing errors, and increasing efficiency. A smart WMS can increase the efficiency in the warehouse. Do they utilize automation in their warehouse operation? Automated system plays a crucial role in streamlining processes, particularly in areas like inventory management and orders tracking. A smart WMS leads to more efficient and less mistakes in picking and packing processes. The efficiency is vital for reducing errors and speeding up order fulfillment. This way, your customers can receive the packages faster. Number 3 is to see how responsive is their customer support team. It is very important to have a team that's quick to respond, especially when time zones come to play. Imagine it's middle of the night where you are, but it's business hours for your fulfillment partners. You have an urgent issue that needs resolving. A responsive customer support team will jump on the problem and keep your operations running smoothly. Remember, a good customer support team can make or break your business. Number 4 is to see how do they deal with return products. This is a pivotal question for a fulfillment partner. With a clear and easy return procedure can be a godsend, as we all know. Your clients should be able to return it without any hassles. If the return process is complicated, it can create a negative customer experience and potential loss of your business. Number 5 is to consider the language barrier. If you're looking for a 3PL in China, it's crucial to choose one that's dedicated to overseas markets. Why? Communication is the key. A 3PL that's fluent in your language makes everything smoother. From discussing specific shipping requirements to handling any potential issues, clear communication is very important. And many of the 3PLs in China have a network of diverse suppliers. This means if you can communicate with them effectively, you can not just looking at shipping solutions, you are unlocking doors to a whole range of resources of sourcing. Lastly, and most importantly, is the price. The cost of shipping can make or break your business profits. So it's crucial to dig a little deeper into pricing structure of your potential fulfillment partner. Now, an essential aspect of pricing is you can ask how many orders they ship in total per month or per year. Because the more they ship, the cheaper the price they can get from the couriers. And how many shipping lines they offer for a single destination. More shipping lines mean more flexibility and options, which can be a game changer when it comes to timely delivery and customer satisfaction. Another very important factor to consider is how the fulfillment partner handles taxes and customer clearance. This can be a complex process. If not managed well, it can lead you delays and extra costs. You want a partner who has a clear and efficient process for dealing with aspects to reduce any potential hassles for you. So there are 6 key factors when choosing a fulfillment partner in China. Remember to compare more and choose wisely. And if you want to know how we can help you ship from China without any hassles, get a free quote in the link down below. Thank you for watching. See you next time.